In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of splitting orders in both Sellercloud and Shipbridge. Splitting orders is a convenient feature that allows you to ship items from different locations, make partial payments, or divide the available inventory. It lets you ship a portion of the order now and send the rest later. First, you'll need to enable the client setting Enable Split Order Authorized Payment workflow. This will allow split orders to be marked as paid when they are created. Payment will remain on the parent order, and a discount will be added to the child order instead. Once you're done with that, go to Orders and click Manage Orders. Open an order, head on to the Actions menu, and select Split Order. Enter the quantity you want to move to the new order and click Split Order. When splitting an order that includes kits, you should only select and split quantities from the kit components. Do not select and split the kit parent products because this action cannot be reverted. To undo any changes to the order split status, the order may have to be reimported. By default, the order source order ID of the parent order will transfer to the split child order. However, you can configure additional settings for order splitting. Simply go to Settings, head on to Orders, and click Order Split Settings. You will see a grid with all possible order sources and 5 columns where you can decide what will be carried over to the child order when you split it from the parent. You can check the desired boxes based on what you need. Let's go over all of them. Keep order source. When checked, the child orders will all get the same order source. If unchecked, the child order will be set to local store. This can later be manually edited on each individual order. Keep order source for kit items works the same as the previous setting but only affects orders containing kit items. Keep order source for mixed items specifies whether to keep the order source for orders with both regular and kit items. Copy custom columns will copy the values from the custom columns over to the child orders. Copy lock shipping method. If the shipping method is locked for the parent order, this will transfer to the child orders. Save your order split settings and move on. To split orders with Shipbridge, Sellercloud's very own shipping software, you need to go to Menu, Options, and click Scan and Ship. Enable Allow Order Splitting and click Save. Note that this option enables splitting both in the Scan and Ship window and in the order grid. Then, you'll go and right-click on an order in the order grid and click Split Order. Select the items you want to split, enter the quantity to move, and hit Split Order. The new split order will be displayed in the lower left-hand corner. Once again, make sure you only select and split quantities from the kit components and not the kit parent products. Another option for splitting orders is using an automatic company level setting in Sellercloud. To automatically split multi-item orders into separate orders, go back into Sellercloud Settings, Companies, and click Manage Companies. From there, select a company, head on over to the toolbox, and search for shipping. Enable auto split orders having multi-items and save your settings. And if that's not enough, you can even customize plugins to split orders based on warehouse availability, zip code range, or other custom criteria. If you need a specific custom plugin, you can always contact our team. Manage your e-commerce your way.